At mga lodi, panoorin natin dito nag-cover song ng Wide Awake by Jeneline Payomo Espiritu, mga idol. Ang ganda ng pagkakanta niya dito, mga idol. Talagang napahanga ako dito. So let's go, panoorin natin ang pagbigay tayo ng reaction. Let's go, mga idol. Oh, may pasayo-sayo pa si ate. Wow. Galing. Inupuan lang.
I wish you then didn't know now. Was it diamond? Was it diamond? Gravity. What the fuck? You made it so sweet till I woke up on the concrete, falling from the night.
Oh, taas na na. Ang galing.
Losing every sleep, I pick up every place. I had it on my feet, one way, and now to complete myself. No, yeah, I'm torn again of the lines that I just could pretend. If it's too late, the story of it now begins. I wish you knew then, wouldn't know now. Was it diamond? Was it downbound? Gravity hurt. So sweet till I woke up on the concrete, falling from the night, crashing from the
Galing.
I'm letting go tonight. Yeah, I'm falling from the night. Touch the number. God knows that I tried seeing the bright side. I'm not dying anymore.
Was bomb.
Run away.
Oh, taas. Carry lang.
Yeah, I'm falling from the night, crashing from the high. You know that it goes tonight. I'm falling from the night. I wanna wait.
Talagang ginalingan talaga. So yun po, mga idol, narinig natin itong cover song ni Jeneline Payomo Espiritu. Supportan po natin ang kanyang Facebook page, mga idol, sa kanyang cover song ng Wide Awake. Ang ganda ng pagkakanta, mga idol. Ang ganda ng pagkatira niya dito sa kanyang cover song. Medyo bata pa ito, mga idol. Itong si Jeneline, I think nasa mga 15 years old o 16 years old ito, mga idol. Ang ganda ng boses sa talagang wow, mapapa-miss ka talaga, mga idol. So kayo, mga idol, ano masasabi niyo sa kanyang rendition, sa kanyang performance na talagang panalo? Grabe. Kung i-rate ko po kanyang performance, mga idol, nasa 8, mga idol. Ang ganda ng boses. So don't forget, pakipollow po ang Facebook page ni Jeneline Payomo, mga idol, Espiritu. Lagay ko na lang po sa description ang kanyang link, mga idol. Please comment down below kung na-miss pa kayo at na-appreciate nyo ba ang kanyang performance. Okay, God bless, mga idol. Ingat po kayo natin.